Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your TikTok account. Whether you are taking a break from social media or just moving on, here you can say goodbye to your TikTok profile. Before we starting, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming notifications. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, go to your TikTok account. Tap at your profile. Now tap at three horizontal lines at the top. Now tap at settings and privacy. Now page my screen, you can see the very first option, account. Simply tap at here. Now page my screen, you can see down the bottom you can see a deactivate or delete account. Now tap at delete or deactivate account option. Now page at screen you can see delete or deactivate. If you want to leave TikTok temporarily, simply deactivate your account. If you choose to delete your account instant, you don't want be able to recover it after 30 days. Simply if you want to permanently delete it, tap it delete account permanently. Now choose the option you want. For example, I'm leaving temporarily. Tap it continue. Delete your TikTok data, and down the bottom you can see a check option. Check add the option by continue. You receive your data request and wish to continue deleting your account. Now simply tap at continue. Again tap at continue. Read the instructions before you continue. Now wait for the code. Tap at delete account. Are you sure want to delete your account? Now pressing delete and your account will be deleted permanently. Like this you can easily delete your TikTok account permanently, and please note that once you delete your account it will be deactivated for 30 days before being permanently removed from the TikTok database. During that time, your account wouldn't be visible for the public, but chat messages may be still available. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it with your friends and family members. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming notifications. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.